Check out this new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 22 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the 1LT Preferred Equipment Group, GVWR, 7,200 pounds, 3266 kilograms, black, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, jet black, cloth seat trim, engine, 5.3L Flex Fuel EcoTech 3 with active fuel management, direct injection and variable valve timing, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED, emissions, Connecticut, Delaware, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, All-Star Edition and the tires, P265/65 R18 all-terrain, black wall. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.